As part of Reach the Heights, young people have had an opportunity to participate in a wide variety of arts activities, which have been delivered by organisations all over Wales. These activities have offered the young participants opportunities to address issues such as low self-esteem, lack of self-confidence and social awareness. It has also provided them with a range of skills including collaborative working, decision-making, motivation and emotional competence.
The early signs are very encouraging. We've got a wide range of projects right across the country of different scales and sizes, and there have been a number of fascinating aspects about it. The first is that in bidding for and setting up the contracts, we've come into contact with quite a few organisations who we hadn't previously worked with, and that's been interesting. Public and private sector agencies, charities who are interested in working with young people. Secondly, what we've also noticed is that the quality of arts work which is coming out is itself good. It is engaging young people in positive, meaningful activity, and we're beginning to see evidence that they are wanting to take those skills and apply them in terms of future training and employment.
This film has highlighted some of the strong partnerships that exist between Arts Council of Wales and arts and community organisations. These partnerships have provided young people with opportunities to develop and re-engage with learning through the arts. I'm gonna